Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn about how to deposit money on Exness. And for you to be able to get started, you'll just need to head first onto the login page, complete the details, and once you're already logged in, you'll get redirected onto this page. So you're just gonna head here onto the left side, then choose deposit for that one. Then right after, you'll get redirected to another page, and for you to be able to get started for this, just make sure that you have already fully verified your account, since that is an important step. Now, the next thing that you could do is to choose a deposit method. So there are a lot of options in here. We have Tether, bank card, or Bitcoin for that, and what you need to do is you'll just need to click onto one to proceed. Then right after that, once you have already chosen to these things, you'll just need to specify the different details that are asked in here, such as the amount, and then click on to continue. Then right after, you'll get redirected onto a confirmation page. Just click on to confirm, and that's just basically it onto adding or depositing money onto your Exness account. And if you think this video has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment it down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on to our next video.